Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I had to try Jack this year. I don't think I've ever created him on Nailz. So I wanted to do my version of Jack, so I hope you enjoy what I create. And I think I have one more Halloween video coming up before the end of this month. Man, I can't believe October is already almost done. So sad. Oh, but I'm excited for Christmas though. I hope everybody else is too. So the biggest tip I can give when creating any detail work is, especially with gel polish, cure in between every little step. I don't care if it's just a quick little flash cure, it will help. Cure, cure, cure. Cure after every little thing you do. You'll see why. Now I'm watching my little Jack and look at him. Nope, not looking right. He's melting. Yes, this is what happens when you don't cure in between every little step. And I should have done at least the eyes, but I had to start over. So it's okay. Start over again. So I will finish up with the eyes and then I will cure. Yes, cure. I'm going to cure. And now I'm going to do the nose, and I think I'm going to learn my lesson again and cure right after doing the nose as well. The little nostrils. Get them right and cure. Yes. All right, and then we'll work on the smile. Have you guys watched this movie, Nightmare Before Christmas? If you have, leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite part is, who your favorite character in the movie is. I hope it's Jack. Definitely gotta watch this on Halloween again with my son. And he's got like a little bat for like a bow tie. So I did my best. I think it looks more like a cat, but it's okay. It's alright. Still cute. I loved how after I finished the coat, it started to all tie in and it actually looked a lot like him. I was super excited, and I know I'm not the best at detail work, but I was doing my best and I love how it turned out. So I'm going to cure it again, and just to give him a little bit of extra bling, I put a base coat on his eyes and sprinkle a little fine black glitter on top of his eyes so his eyes will sparkle. We'll clean it all off. And this fine black glitter made a mess, so it took me a little while, but I got it cleaned up. Okay, so there we go. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. You know I like chatting with you below, so please leave me a comment. If you like it, give me a thumbs up as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I would love for you to join my channel, and I will love to check out your channels as well. So leave me a comment below so I can communicate with you guys. As always, thank you guys for taking the time out to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.